Okay, quick video of a portable paint booth. A lot of questions out there on people wondering if they should run this or not, or buy them. A bit pricey. I think I paid $3,300 for this unit. It's made by hnjoy toys out of China. Why I owe them $3,300? I mean, I had a very good experience with them. They were right on time, good communication. I was able to customize this one, a couple things I wanted done to it, and it was no problem. One of the things I went with was waterproof. So all the seams are doubled up top with flaps just to help any water from getting in. I have extra intake, air intake right there if I ever need it. It's tied off right now. And I opted for a duct on the exhaust so I can hook up a duct if I needed extra exhaust. What I would probably do is hook up a tube and run it outside with another fan pulling. But I haven't needed it. The filters actually work really well. Get all the organic particles off that basically stop them from getting, you know, overspray all over everything. I did run some LED lights in it. I opted for the waterproof, so you get no skylights in these. At least I didn't ask for any. I wish I would have. Makes for a pretty dark paint booth. But the front door is all Velcro. You got to worry about the zipper getting run over and wrecked. I'm working on my personal 1500 Sierra. I bought at auction. Copot. Probably wasn't my best decision, but once you buy it, you own it. I put a new cab on it, so right now what I'm doing is painting a new cab, cement gray, which is a Toyota color. It's a newer color of theirs. Almost looks primer gray from a distance. I like it. There's the bed. Still got quite a bit of work on that. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of questions out there on people asking, hey, should I buy this? I can tell you, I've been doing paint and body for 25 years. I currently still do it professionally, and I mean, for at home, this is fine. It gets the job done. I ain't gotta go to work and use a booth or pay a rent to use the booth. I can do everything at home. I'm using Wanda base coat on this with a Euro clear made by Keystone. It's a high solid clear. I really like it. Wet sands and buff's really nice. The Wanda was a kind of a demo someone gave me to try, and so far I don't have any complaints. I like it. I use their sealer too on this. So hey, I hope this helps anyone out that's looking at buying one of these. This current model is 16 by 32.